Stop what you're doing. Have you ever found your dream vacation only to see the price tag and feel your heart sink? You're not alone. The travel industry is designed to make you overpay. Prices change based on your search history. Peak season seems to last all year, and finding a real deal feels impossible. Sound familiar? What if you had a secret weapon? A playbook that gives you an unfair advantage? We created it. It's called the Savvy Traveler's Playbook, and it's your key to unlocking the world for less. And for a limited time, it's completely free. Inside, we're giving away our 21 best-kept secrets. I'll give you a taste right now. Secret number 1, the Goldilocks booking window. There's a perfect time to book flights, not too early, not too late, and we'll tell you exactly when it is. Secret number 2, the package deal goldmine. We'll show you why bundling your flight and hotel can sometimes save you more than booking them separately, even if it looks more expensive at first. And secret number 3, the Tuesday flight myth. Everyone says to fly on a Tuesday, but the real secret is when you search for those flights to get the lowest price. This isn't just about saving a few bucks. This is about transforming your travel life. It's about turning "I can't afford it" into "when do I leave?" It's about having the confidence to book that trip knowing you got the best possible deal. Are you ready to become a savvy traveler? The complete playbook with all 21 secrets is waiting for you. The link to download it for free is right down there in the description. Click it now, get your guide, and start planning your next adventure today. And hey, if you love saving money but hate the work of planning, that's what we do best. Let our experts at AVS Tours and Travels handle everything. The link is in the description. Now stop dreaming and start packing.